Hey folks, here's how to improve your gift card sales with a couple simple tweaks. Now, I know you might think, well, it's a gift card. Everybody understands what that is. Just announce you have gift cards and you'll sell them. There's more you can do. Here we go. So, a few simple things we did with my native gardening business. Last year was our very first ever year that we did the holiday season. We had a really tiny audience and we sold $835 worth of gift cards. I was pretty shocked. I thought we would sell like one or two. And here's why we sold so much. So, the first thing we did that I would consider doing on your website is don't just say, we have gift cards, here's the amounts. Now, it could be somebody's spouse, a grandparent, a daughter coming to the site to buy for somebody who's not the ideal client. They're not the ideal client. They don't know what you sell. They don't know how much things cost. They're not going to go, searching through all your products to see how much they should be buying here. So we want to really dumb it down and put it kindergarten level so they know exactly what to do and how to get a gift card quickly. So gift cards can be used for boom, 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 boom. Garden consults, online workshops, planting, design services, merch. So don't assume they know. They don't know your product suite. They're getting a gift card for somebody. They're probably not the person who would normally shop here. Okay. And then they don't know how much to choose. They don't know how much your things cost. So most online mini classes are this price, full consultation is this price, garden consult plans start at this and go up. And then in order to get, most people are going to do gift cards at the last minute, right? That's how it rolls. After you purchase, you can download the gift card PDF to give to the lucky gardener. Boom. So give them something that's immediate gratification. They can just print this off and give to their loved one. And it's there already. So they don't have to like wonder, how am I going to get it? How does it work? They immediately know they have something they can have to open in the next 20 minutes. Okay. And then they have the amounts here, add to cart, easy breezy. Okay. So the next thing that's important is how do you promote this? Now, one idea that I think is really smart, and actually one of my clients did this. She used this same, she optimized her gift card with a lot of the same verbiage, right? What amount should I choose? What can you use it for? Download the gift card PDF. Awesome. Okay. And then she took it one step further. She made one of the alternate views. Why is the secondary view of the product, a graphic of what to do. When that's on mobile, I think that's going to look a lot more normal, by the way. But I think that's super smart. And all you have to do in my case, what I would do is I would just take a screenshot of this right there. And I would just make that the second picture on the product listing. Nothing fancy, just quick and dirty, get it up there. Okay. So the first image for the gift card is a picture of the gift card. The second image is this, that's it. So people don't even have to read. They can just get that visual and look at it, read it this way, and they're done. Okay. The email is here. So subject line, gardening gift cards. Preview text was spread the joy with an emoji of a plant. Gift cards available. Did you know? Benefit of what it is that you're offering. Gardening is proven to relieve stress, is great exercise, improves your mood, and that using natives is good for the planet. Gift cards can be used for. So again, think like somebody's husband who's kind of clueless on what to buy, his wife. The wife can just forward this to him or to somebody's grandparent, and they would know what to do. Okay. We'll even send you a cute PDF, grab your gift cards now and share the joy of gardening. And by the way, when you're not procrastinating, you're right on time. Like, don't worry about it. Spread the gardening joy. This goes back to buy the gift cards. And we just have some images of happy gardeners. Look how happy your people would be if you would just give them a gift card to my store. Now, mind you, we sold over $800 worth of gift cards last season, which was our very first season with a tiny audience, you guys, a tiny audience. And the reason we sold so much, I believe, is because we made it very clear what you will be getting, how to get it, and what to use it for. All right. The next thing you can do if you want to just pump up the volume is you could do a gift card special. And this is the kind of thing that you could do. This is from a restaurant chain called Let Us Entertain You. It's a big restaurant, group of restaurants in Chicago area. LETTUCE. They've been doing this for years. So the image is pretty striking. Get a free $25 holiday bonus for every $100 in your brand cards you buy. So if you buy a $100 gift card to their restaurant, you get a $25 gift card for free. If you buy 500, you get five $25 gift cards, which one of my uncles for years has purchased all of his grandchildren or nieces and nephews the lovely gift of a $100 gift card to this restaurant. And then he keeps the $25 ones for himself as a bonus. So knowing that, what percentage of the people actually redeem the gift cards and use them? Well, in our case, it's less than half. At least there was only this first real season. We sold $835 in gift cards during the holiday season last year, and only $350 of that was redeemed so far. Now, I hope they do, because I want them to garden and they paid for it. But I'm not going to be mad at it if they don't, because that's, almost $500 in sales that we sold that they haven't even redeemed. So A+ for gift cards all around. Those are your tips to increase conversions of gift cards. Go, go, go. By the way, remember that screenshot of the things? You can use that for a carousel post, a reel, whatever. Like, just promote your gift cards this week hard. Do it. Let me know how it goes. I'm Jane from Fashion Brain Academy. Follow me for more tips, marketing. I was going to say hacks, but that's not really it. Tips to help you sell more products online. Have a great day, guys.